Hey, good morning, Algebra 2 honors. Working on some stuff for you guys, and one of the things I'm trying to preview and get ahead of you with is polynomial operations. So I'm going to go over 3 examples with you and share those out. Hopefully you can watch this before you do the test or the quiz. And don't forget, choose kind, share a smile, and as always, social distance for right now. So let me share these questions with you and we'll go over them. So you can see the first example here has 5x cubed times quantity 2x to the 5th, and that quantity is being cubed. So the first thing you want to do is definitely take care of this exponent right here. So when we cube it, one of the common mistakes that's happening or will happen is they forget to cube the 2. So when you do the 2 cubed, you'll rewrite, and the rule for the power to a power is that we multiply here, because that means we have 2x to the 5th 3 times. And then from here, all we need to do is multiply out and add the exponents. So that's what you do for that one. Just look for these powers outside first, okay? Take care of them first. In the second example, we have polynomial operations involving just adding, subtracting, and multiplying. So one of the tricks that they try to throw at you here would be this m squared right next to the 7 minus m quantity. Anytime you have anything in front of a quantity, it could even just be a minus sign, you must distribute that or push that through, as I've said in my class. So I'm going to drop everything down and distribute not just m, but negative m squared. So it'd be negative 7m squared and plus m squared. And then from this point, we just end up with some like terms that we need to combine. And we should end up with, let's see here, lots of m squareds. I must have miscopied my problem. Anyhow, it would be 2m squared minus 7m squared is negative 5m squared, plus 1 would be negative 4m squared, plus 6m squared would be a positive 2m squared, and that's different than my answer that I had over here. So I must have miscopied something from the original slide. But at any rate, you'll just look for like terms at that point and combine them. For example 3 here, we're doing a combination of adding, subtracting, and this time, instead of multiplication, we have division. So we're going to look at the inside of the brackets first. We're going to try and simplify this division problem here. And the first thing that sticks out to me is that's factorable. So I'm going to rewrite and factor the x squared plus 6x plus 8 to an x plus 4 and an x plus 2. And the convenient thing about that is it can cancel within this division problem. It can cancel here. So if I rewrite, and since I do not have any distribution of a negative sign here that's going to have to take place, I can really get rid of this bracket now, since there's no change that's going to impact the inside of this expression. Switch erasers here. Get that out of there. So I have 4x minus, and here's a tricky part, x plus 2. So that minus does need to be distributed to the x plus 2. So I'll do that, and then I can finalize my answer after simplifying all like terms. So that'd be 5x minus an x would be 4x, and positive 2 and negative 2 would cancel out to nothing. So there would be your simplified version of, this monstrosity here. So a couple of things to look at. Just remember, if it's just a multiplication problem, look for the powers of any powers first, and don't forget your coefficients. Don't forget to distribute any negative signs in front of parentheses, because that could be a real issue. And that even showed up here as we had to distribute the negative in front of the x plus 2. So hopefully that will help you get through this quiz and help you get a better score.